Okay. What's up, you guys? Today I am going to be showing y'all a new, well, it's not new. Everybody know it. I think y'all know it. Way to make slime. Okay, so what you need is a mixing bowl. She got a huge
Dunk.
Mixing utensil. We're using pencils. She using
a baby spoon.
We don't got no babies in the house. Baby powder. We don't got no babies in the house. And dish detergent.
We got dishes.
You know you up like I get the last saying every time. Michaela. So you just gonna pour that bacon. I mean not baking powder. Let's put it up on the whatchamacallit. I'm pouring hers in there.
Mommy sleep.
Man, she got more than me.
Because I got a dunk bowl. I got more than her.
Oh, Lord. Okay.
The reason I'm using this baby spoon because my grandma gave it to me.
You're going to put whatever dish soap you use in the baby powder.
On my nose.
I'll do it.
You know that girl that don't like you?
What girl?
You know that girl that every time you see her, she be like this?
Oh.
She was crying.
We were too.
Yeah. This ain't that much.
You gotta add some milk to this stuff. Oh, I ain't mean to add that much. But I added a lot to mine too. This week has been a long week for our family.
Yes.
We're not gonna tell y'all all what happened, but I might have to give us some more.
Kendall granddad died.
Shut up. Escape. Oh. Well, y'all know what I'm here, but somebody done died. But y'all don't know who. We're not gonna tell y'all who. It's gonna turn like a bluish color since our whatchamacallit is blue.
For real.
Okay, I gotta add a lot more.
For real. Mine's ain't even turning into it.
Oh, okay. I don't want to add a lot of Tori stuff.
Tori don't even use this.
But still, it's hers. Oh, don't add so much. You just smearing it on my pants.
I can't wear this to bed though.
Why?
Because mommy said some.
Ugh.
I wanted to show
My hands.
Let me just use some of this to get it out. Each other like your number one lady. I need to cut some more family help. Yeah. Don't ask what happened to my hair because
She messed it up. There we go.
but it's still straight.
Oh.
The poor just like
I make this slime a lot. What happened?
It's turning out good.
Turning out good. It ain't turned out yet. Wait. Like.
I need to cut some of my family hair. Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Man, y'all, if y'all watch Dumb on Chrissy, Chris and Quinn, you know how they YouTube channels go fast? How do they do that?
Do what?
Because they channel. Never mind.
I had to sneak into her room just to get that.
She was asleep?
I don't know. I wasn't there super quiet though. I didn't see her phone in her hand.
Such it. Yeah, because when I went in there, because I was like, I want to make slime and do a video.
Okay, so yeah, mine turned out. Hers didn't. It's
Yes.
a ugly blue.
It's coming. It's turning out like.
It's not really slime. It will not ever be slime. Y'all try to make it, it's gonna turn out the same exact way. Every YouTuber I saw make this.
I'm gonna
It's
put mine
a little
in
slime
my
channel. You make this. No, it's just gonna melt.
And then
It turned out exactly like this. Not like hers. Hers is just watery.
No, mine is not watery.
Don't put no more of it in. We'll be back after we clean this up because we're making another slime.
Yeah. And I got another.
I'm not gonna tell you until
We're back.
So yeah.
This was a fail.
Mine was a success. No, I said don't put no more in.
I put a little in there.
We're gonna use the same bowls and stuff.
No, we're not. I'm not.
She's not. I'm just get her a paper bowl.
I know what I'm gonna use. I got another one that goes to this.
But what if it has holes in it? Like those things that they're poking it. Oh Lord. Oh, that's nothing. That scared me. Why would you do it with my sock? So yeah, here's this one. It's not stretchy. Oh no. Hers is super watery. Hey, try not to get no water inside your hair.
Uh-oh. This ain't old.
But still, it'll make your hair curl up.
I'm not.
Well, so
let's go make a train.
Let's go clean up.
I'm using
We'll
the same
be back
spoon.
once we get everything situated. Okay, so we're back. And we're making toothpaste slime. Oh my gosh. Go pull the bed in front of the door. Since we haven't got no lock on the door. Okay, you weak. Okay. We don't want our mama to come in because she hates slime. So we're making toothpaste slime, y'all. We're using the same bowls except for her. She's not.
I'm using plastic bowl.
So we're using Colgate toothpaste. All you need is the toothpaste.
Just toothpaste. No, don't open on me. If we still had our table in our room,
We don't have a table in our room no more.
we would have did it with our table, not with this.
Ratchet thing.
Yeah,
Oh,
my grandma gave it, and then she started making slime
on it. So it's a Porter's ratchet slime table. Hold on.
You didn't even get that much. She got more than me.
We don't use this toothpaste. So y'all,
hers.
we're using Colgate cinnamon. So now we can stir,
It's
but
good.
I'm not going to stir. I'm
not.
going to put it in the microwave instead of stirring it now. So we'll be back. So we're in the kitchen, and you can put yours in there with mom.
Cooking fried chicken.
So we're going to set it for
8.
30 seconds or 1 minute. Michaela, stop messing with stuff. I'm gonna set it for 1 minute. And we'll be back once it's done. So we're back. We took it out because it was rising. Hey, bring the mixing things in the kitchen. So I'm not just gonna keep getting it. So, y'all. I said mixing stuff. Bring me mine, please. Move the camera back. Both. So,
Hey y'all.
we're going to have to put it in the freezer for a little bit. It's not going to be a lot because it. Okay. Okay, bring me that. Don't use all the toothpaste. We're putting more toothpaste in it.
And not the same, because this one won't work.
That one stinks too. This
Yeah.
is Colgate whitening, and it's flavored mint. It's white. Well, it's not white. It's blue and white.
So why it says white? Because it's white and blue. So y'all should put white and blue, y'all. And if y'all work at Walmart and y'all watching this, y'all should have put.
Nah, he talking about the people that made it. Cause Walmart people didn't make it. Now I'm mixing it, and this time I'm going to put flour in it.
Yeah, we're gonna put flour. Flour is.
We don't got no more flour, so we're going to put powdered sugar in it. You can try it.
I didn't mean to see my mom's.
So. Okay.
I'm sorry, y'all.
She won't stop mixing with Steve.
I had to get a paper towel.
Okay, so we're gonna put that.
I'm sorry, already. Mine is not no fickle.
Okay. Yay!
This works.
We don't know that. Oh my gosh. And we're just going to keep adding it and adding it and adding it and adding it until it
stops.
No, not adding that. Okay, so we'll be back. So hey y'all.
We're back.
Look at my slime.
I'm gonna show y'all my slime.
Oh, Michaela, stop messing with that. Wait.
I don't know this.
It's not as stretchy as hers. Hers is a good type of stretchy. I probably need to put some more whatchamacallit stuff. Let me use her stuff.
No.
Because I don't want to get up.
Look, y'all.
Move.
Did you get that in my hair?
No, I did not. It's not as good as hers. Hers is stretchy and
slime.
That's mine. Yeah. So
I love
mine's
mine.
probably this one is going in trash. I like my other one. So this one failed of mine. It was a success for her. The other one was a success for me. A fail for her. That's funny.
Because this is a fail for you, and that one was a fail for me. And then this is a success for me, and that one was a success for you.
Y'all can try this on, but just don't add no. Oh Lord, it almost fell in yours. Hers is a prettier color than mine too.
I'm still white. It's still in a bowl. I'm not messing with it.
Yeah, take it out and show them the stretchiness. Hers is, oh, it ripped. Okay, when? Never mind, I'll ask you that off camera. It's not slime related.
I'm
Okay.
gonna mix my other.
So, yeah. Here's the felt slime.
Here's the
Success slime for her. Oh, can I put this in your bowl?
Why?
To get it off my hands. Oh, no, you need your bowl. Yours getting sticky. Okay, pause it for me. Never mind. You got any? Well, yes, y'all, that concludes this video. Oh my gosh.
Why?
Oh,
Hit them folks.
shut up.
You got water in my hair.
Ready? Okay, so that concludes this video. That is all for the video. Y'all had me mess up my fingernails. Messed up this one, then messed up this one. Took that off. Real fingernails.
It ain't.
Cause fake fingernails ain't that short. But yeah,
If
so
you cut it, they are.
true. But yes, that is the end of this video. Comment down below if y'all want more slime videos from me. Oh, there's lighting though.
Look at my slime.
I'ma go stand in the door. Go stand outside. That lighting is bare. Like, dang, all my cats came running for me. Move, Blackie. Yes, just lighting. Okay, no, not that lighting. Not fixing to do that, boom. Thank you. This the best lighting y'all gonna get. Yes, that is the end of this video. Hope y'all like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. What you trying to hide from me?
Nothing.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. And comment down below if y'all want more slime videos. So, yes.
And click
Bye.